Imagine being 25 years old, broke, stressed, and realizing you wasted your teenage years doing things that kept you poor. Most teenagers think money problems start when you become an adult. But the truth is, the biggest financial mistakes happen before the age of 20. And the scary part? Almost everyone is making these mistakes right now. One of the biggest money mistakes teenagers make is trying to look rich instead of becoming rich. Buying expensive shoes, the newest iPhone, branded clothes, just to impress people who honestly don't care. As Warren Buffett once said, if you buy things you do not need, soon you will have to sell things you do need. Rich people focus on assets. Poor people focus on appearances. A teenager who saves and invests early is already ahead of most adults. Schools teach algebra, but almost never teach taxes, investing, credit cards, or budgeting. So most teenagers grow up knowing how to pass exams, but not how money works. And that becomes dangerous. Because the moment someone gets their first paycheck, they spend everything. No savings, no investing, no plan. That's exactly how people stay trapped financially for years. Teenage years are powerful. This is the best time to learn high-income skills like video editing, graphic design, coding, content creation, or digital marketing. But many teenagers spend thousands of hours scrolling social media instead of building skills that could change their future. While one teenager is watching random videos for 5 hours, another teenager is learning skills online and making money before turning 18.
Here's something crazy. A teenager who invests just $5 a day starting at age 16 could end up with hundreds of thousands of dollars later because of compound interest. That's because money grows faster when time is on your side. And that's why starting early matters more than starting big. Another huge mistake, taking money advice from broke people. Social media makes it look normal to waste money, flex fake lifestyles, buy things on impulse, and go into debt for trends. But real wealth is usually quiet. Most millionaires don't look rich online. So if you're a teenager watching this, remember this. The habits you build now will decide whether your future is financially free or financially stressed. Stop trying to look rich. Start learning how money actually works. Because the earlier you understand money, easier life becomes later. And trust me, your future self will thank you.